Hello everyone. So in this, I'll be presenting the second part of the assignment, that is implementing an hackathon project that is from the Google ADK. We need to use any of this ADK from this. Here, there are multiple projects available for reference. So I find going through with the RAG and implementing through the Vertex AI, like how it allowed and overall things what all inside it, like I'll be presenting in this video. So this is a Vertex AI agent, which is so if we go to the Google Cloud Agent, so here we need to set a few of the things. So before going to the projects, I'd like to describe few about this project. So this is a Vertex AI RAG agent built with the Google ADK. It let me create a corpus inside docs and answer a question over via chat UI like this chat UI. And architecture in a one breath, like an ADK provides a agent runtime plus a web UI. This agent uses a Gemini 2.5 Flash version, and for the Vertex AI calls Vertex RAG engine, and that creates a corpus, and via that corpus we can add other tools, existing tools, or get info, delete any kind of tools from it. And as a Google have existing access to all our drive and personal data, so we can get our information and all other details from it. So as a setup proof, so I have configured this RAG agent in a environment, and the project ID and location is in East US. So you can see here the project info and the project name and everything is here, and the BigQuery, and this is where I installed the ADK cloud instance, and for we need to use a CLI for this, and while extracting either it's for a Mac, Windows, or any other particular versions, or on the OS. Once this is done, I have implemented in my GitHub. So this is the RAG agents which I have. So these are the tools which I'll be explaining in a while. And so this is the agents config file and init file. So these are the entire code structure here have. So this is the env file, where in the env file I use the project id, the project id, and the location, and the virtual AI is true. And after that, I have set it up, and create an agent file, where in this agent we have a Vertex AI agent, so it's a helpful RAG agent. So I have gave some kind of information, like how agent should react, and it should follow. So I have followed how the hackathon has built. I had kind of same instances to install in my local, and run all the particular cells, like rack query and list corpus create and etc. So same well, the add agent has a adding data feature to the existing UI. So for this UI, we can add any particular agents, and same way is create corpus. We can create an we can create any kind of image. So here we have a session. So here we can see create event is working. So here it created a business event for us, and I have created a successfully business event. Once the create event is done, then we can check the list corpus. So in this I have given the corpus information, and pressing the information for more usable formats. So here if you can see the list corpus, so RAG agent is calling the list corpus every time, and it will go. So once we create the corpus, then after that we can add the file. So as adding file, either we can add as a three type of file, either a document file directly, or from the Google Drive, or from any other source. For that, just a second. Adding file. So here we can see all the information. So if it's Google's one, so here it is, and yeah, validation one, and checking validation for drive, and via Google Docs as well. So here I gave one my existing drive link. So for example, like I have this code block certification. So for example, I gave that as my drive link. I kept the drive link as a shared drive, so it can access it, and it adds it to the like add data, and it can retrieve it from it. So as I said, it can successfully can able to add. Once that is done, we can do the business cob. So after that information, like what document do I have? So in the information agent provides a info for us. So get info corp. So here this particular like agent info has its role responsibilities, what should have it should do. And after that I have a kind of RAG agent. Like what basically if it does, it calls the RAG query. So it goes through like end to end like architecture, like what's there in the file, and like it can have a sum up. So it kind of give a pretty small file, so it kind of have a easy one with I can share one more kind of here with a quick demo, show how it works. So okay, it doesn't. Can you add this file to the business business corpus, and I gave the link as a drive. So this will add the data, and once it adds, then we can get it from the list. Maybe like it takes time. Yeah, it added data. There were 0 files in business corpus. I gave a different name. Just a second. I'd like to add this document in business. The wordings and everything has to be the same for this. So yeah, probably it should populate the two. Uh, then it should be working good. Yeah, the add data status seems success here. So it seems the file could not be added in business because our file were added. So can do what thing is can you what documents are in business corp? Maybe if I do that, it will call the list agent. Yeah, it called the uh, hit corp information, and it shows the coding blocks PDF. Yeah, it kind of does. Oh, kind of copied the wrong link. Yeah, it kind of coding blocks.pdf. So that's one. Okay. And after that, like that concludes the like entire architecture, like how it's done and everything. So this is my CLI, like how like I connected, like interacted with it. So this is the existing model, and yeah, like it's connected. So this like explains end to end like RAG implementation using a Google CDK. Thank you.